If you're looking to find either aftermarket or old arrow switches from the 1920s, here's how to do it. For aftermarket switches, Bryant Wiremold offers a line of vintage-style toggle switches that resemble the arrow switches of the 1920s. These are available in various finishes, including ivory, brown, and black. Cooper Wiring Devices has a series of Craftsman switches designed to match the aesthetic of early 20th century homes. They come with either a round or square faceplate. Leviton also offers a line of vintage-style switches under their decorative series. These switches feature a more ornate design than the Bryant Wiremold and Cooper Wiring Devices products. If you want to find original arrow switches, antique stores and online auction sites like eBay and Etsy may have listings for original arrow switches from the 1920s, but availability and condition may vary. Architectural salvage yards specialize in recovering and selling old building materials, including electrical components, and may have a collection of original arrow switches. Historical lighting and hardware stores often carry a selection of vintage electrical fixtures and accessories and may be able to source or locate original arrow switches. Here are some tips for finding original arrow switches. Firstly, look for identifying marks. Original arrow switches will typically have the arrow logo stamped on the back or bottom. Secondly, match the size and shape. Measure the faceplate and switch size before searching for a replacement. Thirdly, consider the finish. Arrow switches from the 1920s were commonly available in ivory, brown, black, or a combination of these colors. Finding original arrow switches may take time and effort, but it's possible to locate them with some research and persistence.